Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another brand new short vlog. It's me, your boy Vlog Squad, and I just wake up and then I appreciate that you watch my videos all the time. I always be active, and as always guys, I hope you have a great rest of your day. And yeah, I always active to my viewers. I will entertain them, and yeah, thank you so much guys for watching my short video, the one with the good news. Thank you for watching that guys. I appreciate, and yeah, appreciate that you all subscribe to the channel, support. I appreciate you guys. That means we're gonna upload more. That's all guys. This is just an update for the